Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm Lexus King, and I hail from Northern California, the Bay Area. And obviously, since I'm from the sunny Northern California skies right here, it's only right that I bring something pretty special. So I have a 1988 Mazda RX-7 convertible. So with this car right here, standard Mazda RX-7, we've got a turbo swap in this car and all the drivetrain to associate with it. It's already caged. I just put a bucket seat in here very recently. This car has everything that I need and nothing that I don't need that I have to worry about anything else on the other side of life. We've got steering angle, so big skiddy can happen with this thing, and it's essentially the perfect car that I feel like is gonna suit me very well. But me, and this car right here, I think we're a good combination. Wham, we got a big ass box. We gonna cut some shit open. It's seats. No suspense, just letting you know it is seats. I mean, main reason is because with the RX-8, Jalen likes that seat. That seat's pretty cool, so Jalen's gonna keep it. For me, with us both gonna be driving the car, I just have seats and rails so that I can just change the whole setup. When Jalen's driving, 4 bolts, seat comes out, different setup for me. So it's a simple solution for non-moving seats. The stock seats, with all that orange foam busting out from the
get out of here.
Yeah, they gotta go. So we're just gonna jump on some new seats. Pretty straightforward. I didn't want to risk getting some super cool. Did I cut the back? I did. No, I didn't. God damn, can't cut through here with the bull in the China closet mentality. But because I didn't want to wait for hella long for no custom seats or nothing, I just ordered some stuff from a place that was local that has shit on hand. So NRG is in City of Industry. Obviously, LA, it's not too far. And they got them here in a couple days. So, well, actually, it's not a couple days. I ordered them a couple days ago, but they just shipped them. Oh, and they came with
The brackets.
Huh. Well, I got hella brackets now then. Okay, interesting. Well, anyway.
More cars?
I think we're carred out, cuddy. Nah, I'm lying. There are more cars that I want to get. I just want standard black, nothing too trippy, because like I said, I didn't want the process to hold up anything. And, oh, they came with everything. Oh, I'm with all that. So this was just a safe purchase, safe bet. Price is right. And I got some homies to work there, so you might as well support the homies. So anyway, now every single vehicle is going to be bucket seated, so that's cool. And I think that's the key. I think that's the key thing that we're missing in the Vert. Like the Vert operates really good, except for you flopping around in the seat, man. You be all over the place. Yeah, and the belts ain't too good. So we got harnesses. They'll be here soon, but
as of now, I got some buckets.
Yeah. So I'm cool with that. Sit a little bit lower and all of that. I guess NRG kind of stepped up their products. And this isn't sponsored or nothing. I bought these. Interesting. This is kind of the first NRG product I've really had aside from like steering wheels, but
Yeah. The seats. So yeah.
Wait a second. Is that what they did?
What they do?
These is like cell phone pockets, cuz.
That's what's up.
Hey.
I'm
Hey,
still
that's
getting
kind of tight, because
thrashes.
no cap, shit be falling out my pockets and everything. Oh, that's kind of hot. That just made, if that's really what that's for, that just made me really like this seat. Okay, so, I got to get the cage redone. I want to put the seats in first so they can get put in position. Then we build the cage around it. So, that's my plan for this weekend. We'll see how it works out. But anyway, new buckets.
Don't mind the garage, okay? Cut
Garage
that out.
is
We'll
alright.
do some magic.
No, we just did that.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about over here.
This is good. This is organized for me.
Yeah, for you.
I'm all right with that.
Okay.
I'm functional. You know what I'm saying?
You functional?
Yeah. Transmission's in the way. Roll transmission's out. Get straight to the weight bench instead of them sitting right there permanent. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you getting a phone call. All right, yeah. Later.